Well, in this video, let's learn ninth class English Essay 2 paper pattern and model paper with perfect presentation. Starting with part A carrying 60 marks. Here you have a passage. Take a look at this passage. He rolled over. It is taken from the second unit A reading True Height. And based on the given passage, you have 4 questions. And the key point here is each answer should have 3 to 4 sentences. Let's check this one. Who became nervous? Why? Here is the answer. Michael Stone became nervous. This is sentence number 1. It was time for his final jump at the National Junior Olympics. Sentence number 2. And this made him become nervous. Sentence number 3. In such a way, your answer should have 3 to 4 sentences. This is what you have to be very careful about in this first bit. Questions 1 to 4. Remember, questions 1 to 4 come from A reading out of the 8 units. And moving on to questions 5 to 8. Here you have a passage. When assignments are given carelessly and frequently. Oh, it's from C reading homework. And take a look at the questions. What causes students to lose interest in the subject? Even here you have to present your answer in 3 to 4 sentences. See, careless and frequent assignments are given to students. Sentence number 1. They are unable to do or enjoy them. Number 2, it causes students to lose interest in the subject. In such a way, you need to present your answer having 3 to 4 sentences, just like that of the previous one. But take a look at this one, number 8. Pick 3 true statements according to the passage. See, it is not a normal question, it is a typical question. Here you have 5 statements, and out of these 5 statements, any 3 statements are true. You need to choose the true statements. How to choose? Let's see. 8th answer. 3 true statements according to the passage are as follows. In this way, you need to start the answer and write the true statements, corresponding letters and with the statements. And moving on to study skills questions 9 to 12. Here the questions are based on diagrams like bar graph, table, pie chart, and so forth. Here you have a bar graph, and based on the bar graph you have 4 questions. You can answer them easily, but sometimes they are not easy. And each question carries 2 marks. And here, coming to the previous one, each question carries 3 marks here. First bit 4 3s are 12, second bit 4 3s are 12, and this one 4 2s are 8. So this is all about reading comprehension. And moving on to number 13, purely based on grammar. King Krishna Deva Raya allowed horses. He had the best collection of horse breeds in the kingdom. Well, it is a passage with underlined parts and numbers at the beginning of each sentence. Here you need to answer any 4. 6 questions are given based on grammar. You need to answer any 4, but my valid tip here is answer 6 out of 6, irrespective of right or wrong answers. See, here you can have questions like this. Combine the 2 sentences using who. Rewrite the sentence beginning with a trader told the king that the king was very and therefore. So you have defining and non-defining relative clause topic, active voice and passive voice topic, direct and indirect speech, simple, complex and compound sentences, and once again direct and indirect speech. And question tag, the last one. And moving on to the major discourses, question number 14. See, here you have an internal choice. Thank God you have an internal choice. You need to attempt the better one. Just one, the better one. See, here is first one, a conversation, and this is an essay. So it shows very clearly that the first one is from the textbook and the second one is the general discourse, and it carries 10 marks. And here is the answer. You can read the answer on the screen. Conversation and an essay on COVID-19 or coronavirus. Divide your essay into paragraphs, but attempt only one question because you have an internal choice over there. And moving on to minor discourse, God sends some angels. So it should have been angels. Angels to little Bobby. Well, it is from the textbook. So this is based on message discourse. So 15th one comes from the textbook and it is the minor discourse carrying 5 marks. Prepare a poster to awaken people to save the earth by saving trees. This is a poster. Well, it is not from the textbook. It is a general discourse. So number 15 is the textual discourse. Number 16 is the general discourse. Each carries 5 marks. I haven't provided the answers here because people write the message in different formats. I don't like to disturb you with my format. I will give the format if you need. And poster, you can design the poster as you wish. And part B. Well, read the following poem. Lightly, oh lightly we bear her along. Oh, it's not in the prescribed English textbook for class 9. It means this poem is a general poem carrying 5 marks, having 5 multiple choice questions. And here are the answers. You need to read the poem again and again and read all the questions carefully, respect each option. And 22 to 26. Oh, this is the most challenging one. Editing. This is based on editing. Okay, let's see. Oh, has a snake ever coiled? Well, it's from the very first unit, a reading. It means editing comes from the textbook. You have 5 errors and each error should be corrected. You have to write the answers on these lines. And 27 to 31, there lived dash elephant in a village. Well, it's obvious that even this question is a general one. This is called closed test. Closed test is nothing but a passage with some missing words and options following the passage. And here you have the answers. So how to present the answers here? If you have brackets here, you can simply write the correct option here. If there are no brackets here, you can write the correct or corresponding option there, the word. And here we have the last one. This last one is 32 to 36. This is based on rewrite as directed. So rewrite the underlined words as directed. Rewrite the underlined words as directed. Well, let's see this one. I look at the fruit seller. Oh, this is from Vikram Seth's lesson, the last unit. Oh, it comes from the textbook. So here you have underlined words, numbers, number 32 and number 32. Write the synonym of the underlined word. So square, synonym. What is the synonym of square? Oh, it's marketplace. You need to write the answer just like this, marketplace. Some students write too much, means they indulge in overwriting. Avoid overwriting. Just write marketplace on this given line. That's enough. Don't write a lot because students think that there is a big line, they need to write big answers. No, just the synonym is enough. One word answers are enough. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Happy writing. Thank you.